Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this piano. Okay, it is from the Casio company and its name is CTK-245. Okay, and as you can see, this piano is very big, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this piano. And not just unboxing, I will be teaching you all the functions also of this piano and how to operate it. Okay, so if you want to know more about this piano, then please watch the video till the end. So let's start. So as you can see here, this is our piano. Okay, it's from the Casio company, and this piano had came in a box, but I had already threw the box and kept it in a bag. Okay, because it will be safe in the bag. So you can also buy this bag if you want. Now let me show you inside this piano. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is our piano. As you can see, I will take out the piano. And I'll keep this bag aside. Okay, so this is our piano. Okay, as you can see, this is very big. It's not fitting in the camera also. As you can see, here are many keys also. And as you can see here in these keys, I have written some alphabets with the different A4 size paper. Okay, so when you buy this piano, it won't come with like that. Okay, I had written it myself so that it will be easier. And as you can see here, here are some switches and main functions of this piano. I will explain you all one by one. Now as you can see here, we will also get one of this plug. Okay, so that we can connect our piano and then we can use it. Now let me show you all these functions of these keys. Okay, so as you can see here, I have connected my piano to my plug. Now it is ready to go. Now as you can see over here, in my piano there are two speakers. Okay, first one speaker is over here. It is very big, as you can see, and the next speaker is over there. Okay, that is also very big, as you can see. So there are two speakers in my piano and they both play very big sound. Okay, now here are some keys. As you can see over here, here are many keys in this piano. Here one display also, and here are some rhythms and tones also, as you can see. And here are the keys. Okay, and as you can see here, which I have wrote here alphabets so that it will be easier to play. But when you buy this piano, you won't get all these alphabets. Okay, as you can see, I have written this myself from A4 size paper. Okay, now let me show you some basic functions and about these keys. Now first of all, we have the on off key. Okay, so as you can see over here, now here is not just on off. Okay, there are three modes. As you can see, here is one normal mode, here is one Casio code, and here is one fingered mode. Okay, now when we on it in normal mode, then that means just normal, like how we play piano normally, that mode. Okay, and then you can see the sound also, how it plays. So as you can see, the sound is also like normal. And here is Casio code. Okay, now that means for this like drum, you know, here is the drum also in this button. As you can see, this big button is for drum. Okay, like this it will play. There are other also tune also. There are some other tune also. Now if you press this and with Casio code, if you do on, then you can change like this the tune of the drum. As you can see, if you press here, then the tune will again be changed. Okay, so this was the Casio chord one, and now there is the fingered mode also. Now fingered mode means you have to play with all D minor, C minor, like that. Okay, like this you have to play with all three fingers. Okay, so now I will just keep it in normal mode. And the next thing we have is volume keys. Okay, now this is the volume keys. As you can see, main volume keys. So here if you press this, then the volume will increase of this piano, and then if you press this, then the volume will decrease. Now let me show you. Okay, so first of all, let me increase the volume to the full sound. Okay, so as you can hear, these are the full sound, and let me decrease to the lowest sound. Okay, so as you can see, the sound is very low. Okay, so up to this much you can adjust the sound. So for now I'll increase the sound. And then next button we have is transpose tune. Okay, and then that means you can also create your own tune, just like this beat was here. For example, that only you can create your own tune. And then there is next a comp volume. Okay, now when you start this piano, automatically a fixed volume will come. Okay, for example, here is in this piano there is a sound of to 0 to 9. Okay, now when I start this piano, automatically the 7 number sound come. Okay, so this much. Okay, automatically this much sound start to play. Okay, now if you want to increase the sound while automatically starting the piano, then you can choose this comp volume and then you can increase the sound. And next thing we have is this beat, where if you press this button then the beat will start to play. There are other beat also in this rhythm. As you can see, in this rhythm if you press this, then there are some other beat also you can choose, but that I will show you later. First of all, as you can see here, this beat there is, and if you press next also there is next also. Okay, so there are many beats. Now for example I will show later now. And then next thing there is this tempo. Okay, now what is this tempo? That means to increase the speed of the beat. Okay, for example, if I press this beat, this is the normal beat. Okay, as you can hear. Now if I increase the tempo, it will start to playing fast. Okay, as you can see, it's playing fast. So if you increase the tempo, it will start to play fast, and if you decrease, then it will start to play very slowly, as you can see here. So that was about the tempo. And here is melody on off. Okay, now what is this melody on off is that now here is some melodies also. Okay, for example here song bank. Now here is twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, as you can see here, now here twinkle twinkle little star I have played. Now here as you can see, this twinkle twinkle is also playing. Okay, now if I do this, then only the beat will play. Okay, of backside one. As you can see, that twinkle twinkle little star isn't playing, so we can play our own beat. Okay, like this. And then now next thing there is stop. Okay, so after you play it, now this button was to play and this button was to stop. Now it is easy. And then play pause, this also, if you want to stop in middle, then you can choose this and then you can again continue later. Now as you can see here in this display, now there are 100 tunes. Okay, for example, first tune is, okay, this is simple tune. Now next tune is, then next tune is, like this. There are 100 tunes. Okay, so it will never finish, like it's 100 tunes, but there is too much tune. Okay, now when you get your correct tune, then you can see the number. Okay, the tune will given in the number. Okay, for example, this tune which I just played, this is in 33 number. Okay, now here as you can see, here are numbers. So if I on the piano, then it will start from 0. Okay, means this is the normal tune. And if I want to again play that same tune which I just found out, then I will just press here 3. As you can see here is 3, so I'll press here 33. Okay, 2 times 3 means 33, and that sound will automatically come, as you can see here. And if you want to go forward and backward of a sound, for example, if you want to go to 34, then you can just press here. As you can see, here is plus button and here is minus button. So plus means go one step forward. See, as you can see here 34 came, and minus means one step backward. Okay, like this 32, 31. And the next thing is here, as you can see, here are given the names of the song banks, rhythms and tones. Okay, as you can see, now there are 50 song banks. Okay, now song bank means that what I just played, twinkle twinkle little star, like that. Okay, there are many things. Okay, like jingle bells also there is. Now that song banks means it will just play the tune and you have to play that jingle bells yourself in the piano. Okay, like that. And then there is 100 rhythms. Okay, now rhythm means that I already showed you that beat, this beat. Now like that only there are many rhythms, means many like that drum tunes. Okay, so you can choose one which you want, and in this drum tune only you can play that song. Okay, for example, I will use this drum tune and like this only I will play. Okay, in this drum tune. And then there are 100 tones also, as you can see. Now tones means that only which type of sound you want in the piano. So as you can see, these are all the keys. This is the on off key, this is the volume key, this is the transpose tune and accomp volume key, this is the beat key, this is not the beat key, this is play or start. Okay, like that key. And this is the melody on off key, this is stop key, this is play pause key, play or pause key, this is the tone key, rhythm key and song bank. Here as you can see, this is the display, and here are the numbers which you can choose in the display. which song you want, like that. And here are the names of the 50 song banks, 100 rhythms and 100 tones, okay, as you can see here. And now one more thing, as you can see here, these small signs and symbols which are looking like a drum, madal and everything. Now what are those? Okay, now that is you can play drum also in this piano. Okay, now to play drum, what you need to do is you have to press 99. Okay, because the drum tune is in 99. Okay, now when you press 99, then this tune comes, precision. Okay, now in this tune, now as you can see, whatever sign you will be able to see in this top. For example, here is the drum sign. Okay, now it means that when you press this key, then as you can see, the drum kind of sound has came. As you can see here, so these all signs and symbols. Okay, these all are, you can also make this piano a drum and you can enjoy. As you can see, here are all the drum sounds. Whatever sign is being shown here, below that key there is everything of that. And in this piano there is not just piano and drum, there is guitar sound also. As you can see here, this is the guitar sound from 20 to 39. Okay, there are just guitar and guitar. Okay, as you can see, here is acoustic guitar. You can play anything in this piano. Okay, drum, piano, guitar, everything. Okay, so this piano was very nice, as you can see here. Now let me say one more thing, that this piano is battery operated also. Okay, so if you don't want to operate this piano by plugging it, then you can also use it by battery. Okay, now how to do that is just turn your piano opposite, and as you can see here, this is the battery apartment. Okay, so just open it, and as you can see here you have to keep 6 batteries. Okay, as you can see here, you have to keep here 6 batteries. Okay, so then after that you can also operate this piano through battery. Okay, so let me show you how to connect this piano to the plug. Okay, now in this here, as you can see, okay, as you can see here are 2 plugs. Okay, in this piano, so this plug we need to connect it to the wire. Okay, now, okay, so you will get this type of plug also, as you can see here, with these types of nib for this piano. Okay, you will get these types of plug. Here are 2 nibs, so you have to use this smaller one nib. Okay, as you can see here, not this bigger one, this smaller one, and you have to put this in the plug. Now as you can see over here, you will get to see 2 plugs. Okay, now in this you have to keep this one plug. Okay, which I already showed you, this one plug. Now this one plug you have to keep it here like this, and then you have to attach it to the plug, then your piano will start working. Now what is this plug for? Okay, now for this plug is for putting next type of wire for the speaker. Okay, now if you want to play this piano on a function, then you will need big speaker, so you will get a separate kind of wire which you have to buy. Okay, you will not get with this piano, you have to buy separately that wire, and then you have to connect it here. Okay, and then only it will work in the speaker. Now let me show you that wire, how it looks. As you can see here, this is that wire. Okay, it looks something like this, and then this plug you have to connect it to the speaker, then only it will work. This plug, as you can see here, this plug you have to connect in the piano, and this headphone jack you have to connect it to the speaker, then it will work. Okay, like this. Okay, now I am also going to play one song and show it to you in this piano how it looks. First of all, I will increase the volume, and I will choose my tune, which is 33. I will play in. Okay, so now I am going to play any 2 songs for you. And if you want to buy this piano,
then that also link I have given in the description. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.